Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Gmail account on your Android device. Creating a Gmail account is quick and easy, and it's free. With a Gmail account, you can access various Google services such as Google Drive, Google Calendar, and more. Follow these simple steps to create your Gmail account on Android. First, go to the Google account sign-in page using your web browser. Click on the Create Account button to begin the process. Enter your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Make sure to use your real name, as this will be associated with your account. In the username field, enter a unique username that you would like to use for your Gmail account. This can be any combination of letters, numbers, or symbols, as long as it's not already taken by someone else. Next, enter and confirm your password. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password that's difficult to guess. A strong password usually includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click on Next to proceed. Review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, click on I agree to continue. Finally, click on Next again, and you'll be taken to your new Gmail inbox. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Gmail account on your Android device. Remember to keep your password secure and never share it with anyone. Also, make sure to log out of your account when you're done using it to prevent unauthorized access. And that's it. You now know how to create a Gmail account on your Android device. With your new account, you can enjoy all the benefits of Gmail and Google services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.